How to make edible frangipani flowers. Frangipani flowers are more commonly known as plumerias. Often used in tropical bouquets, frangipani flowers resemble airplane propellers in their shape. The flowers come in a variety of different colors ranging from white and pale yellow to vibrant pink and orange. Frangipani flowers are edible, and can be used in a variety of different dishes. Choose organic frangipani flowers as you don't want to consume flowers that have been treated with pesticides. Things you will need: frangipani flowers, cool water, paper towels, salad, rice, cake, batter, oil. Rinse your frangipani flowers in cool water. Place them on paper towels and allow them to fully air dry prior to eating them. Add frangipani flowers to any salad. The flowers mix well with virtually all lettuce and spinach-based salads. Sprinkle the flowers petals over white or brown rice. Opt for brightly colored frangipani flowers to make for an attractive dish. Dip the petals in batter and fry them in oil. You can simply prepare the petals in the same manner you would vegetable tempura or onion rings. The result is rich and delicious. Top cakes with frangipani flowers. The flowers freeze well so you can use them to garnish ice cream cakes. Dry frangipani petals for use in hot teas. The petals add fragrance and subtle taste to any tea mixture. Tips warnings. Slowly introduce frangipani flowers into your diet. If you consume too much initially, you may experience digestive issues. Do not purchase your frangipani flowers from a florist. Most florist flowers have been treated with chemicals.